Double D.
I ain't touching that.
I'm having a barbecue this afternoon. Would you like to come?
And you kiss your mother?
Whoa! Hey, Nash. What are you doing at Eddie's?
Sorry I'm late, Eddie. I guess your mom and dad already went out.
I can give up saying dork just like that.
What's everybody doing in my house? Do you understand anything Double D said?
You're funny. You okay, Eddie?
You guys are clueless. Everyone knows I've got that old black magic.
Poor Eddie. I'll just get your dinner started, okay? I made it especially for you.
Ed's got 3 nipples like that bad guy in James Bond.
We should jam sometime.
Eddie, you're such a dog.
Shall Rolf rub Kevin's belly with the oils of fermented figs?
Why I oughta... Hey, Lurch, with a little paint, that football could look like an alligator. You dropped your face.
Yellow is for banana. You are a banana. Say ah, please.
Gee, since when did Rolf turn into one of those stuffed shirt blowhard singer types? The guy... Ah! Who are you?
It is the gristle for Papa's foot soakings. Well, that's disturbing.
I'm on to you, dork! Hey, whoa! Incoming!
Gosh, Eddie, a tad late, don't you think? You need help. You all need help. This cancer has swallowed Ed's mind, causing him to invent an imaginary friend. I suggest re-education through classic novels with weekly cerebrum massages. Feast your eyes on Rolf's customary dress! If this is true, have you brought the cupcakes of sorriness? Your village idiot has fallen in Rolf's hole. The goal of maturity is a difficult maneuver. Kaspushtas Geschruttenhorten, Karfrüsten, Geslogenbaden Siegerhorten.
What? Am I loud enough for you, Double D? How about now? Huh?
I am Rolf, son of a shepherd.
Loser.
Yes, good.
Dork.
For as Papa would say, the shoe is mightier than Mama's stuffed pepper. Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself.
What?
Very spicy, yes? Your kitchenware is larger than Papa's nasal wart. Never again will Rolf store house keys in his trouser pockets. You need to eat more fiber, head and sock, Ed boy. Rolf respects your vow to uphold the sticky notes of elders, yet you must be punished. The hat of discipline. Do you live in a cave? Rolf's eyes sting with your beauty. Why must you spoil Wilfred with his lavish monkey suit? This will only lead him to search for a life as... Rolf's giant wiener! Rolf is not amused, you... how do you say... ducks?
Hello, Balloon. Come to Papa.
That creature reminds me of my one-eyed great Nana. She was such a sweet woman. I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Do you wish Rolf ridiculed at the son of the shepherd's social club? What is that? Are you weak in the upper story? Have you ever experienced the almighty three-shill beating? Rolf is heartbroken.
No, you said
Ducks! See, ducks!
dorks!
I just want you to look at something.
Hello, Ed boy. Any doors yet?
You know, that's Marshall Dork. Homer. Hey, do you mind? Hit the road. I've heard that one before. How do we paint the shed with no paint? What?
May your nose fester with the rage of olives!
Your sister's got a crush on Double D. His chin is almost as big as yours. Naz wears pants. Sarah wears pants. I wear pants.
And the cat sours the basil.
Well, he's in for a surprise, because we're hitting him first. Feast your eyes on these golden pantaloons. What happened to the stairs? I'm into easy.
Okay.
Did you get it? Where's the tooth? Tooth. What's happening, Roll? What do I know? She just swaggered in and started making me dinner. Naz finally gave in to Eddie Boy's charm. I got a date with Naz.
I'm the hairless author, and I must eat chicken.
Who's more mature now?
Rolf would love to talk politics, but I must see your invitation.
But nothing. I ain't getting in the bath. I think you need a bath. The crow caws at midnight. Get over it, Double D.
Ah, yes, good. The soil speaks to me. A fine strip of bacon, yes?
Croissant.
What?
May the fleas from your
Parents hired you to date me?
inflame your rhubarb!
Whoa! In your dreams, my brother told me that chicks are wowed by only one thing, cash. I hear you'd give anything to get rid of John.
Eddie's brother returns to the cul-de-sac! Ralph must pick up his foal! We must do the belly bath in honor of my ancestors! Shut up! Has your brain turned to custard-like half-price pastry and Bowie?
See that loser? That's Kevin. He's the neighborhood dork. I have to slap him around every now and then just to remind him who's boss. I bet this key can open King Tut's tomb or Al Capone's wallet.
You're crazy?
What?
Aha! You missed reconnaissance, Kevin! No shears for you, Potato Head Boy!
Oh, I know. I'll move it with my brain.
Yes!
You found a brain.
Yes?
Busted.
Ralph waits now.
Hold the phone. Who made you commander-in-chump, boxhead?
I am a wiener!
We'll buy a truckload of jawbreakers. No time for kid games, Double D. I have to go get ready for my date. With that.
You're crazy! Holy mackerel!
Heads up, everybody!
So, Cap, what time tomorrow does the shindig of yours start?
No dressers at the table, Eddie. How about you, Ed? Lots of food.
Do I look like 20 bucks or what?
Dorky's got a girlfriend.
Frustration?
Mind if I join you?
Hey, why don't you guys play with us?
Weird.
Have you seen my new girlfriend?
Turn out that light!
Why do I get the impression that Kevin doesn't even know we exist?
Stay together, or it may try to ambush you and suck out your marrow! Now, Eddie is thanking us, or he would like his thick toenail clipped. No problemo. Jimmy's maturing. Isn't it inspiring?
Get a clue.
Thank you, Eddie.
It was a dork fest. Stupid broom.
Get real.
Hey, you bag of flesh.
Eat some sense into that overcooked noodle that you call a head.
That is so gross, dude. Where do you get off? Boy, Kevin, that was stupid. I'm off cereal forever.
How are we supposed to rip you off if you don't trust us?
You're gonna hold my hand.
Hey, do you mind?
Ah, I'm a woodpecker.
Help me! Don't let the monster ain't gonna reel Don Morty! What? Huh?
Hello, Ed boy. Do not pull Ralph.
This is going just like my brother said it would.
This is not cool. Bedtime now, mister. You guys are totally acting like jerks.
Oh, look! There's a huge Spumoni snake crawling under my bed!
Loser.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
You, Double D, let go.
Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Chickens!
Hey guys, what took you? Fine, yeah, I'm okay.
I like your hair, Ed.
Follow my lead.
I think it's time someone had a bath.
You're right, Double D. I'm sorry.
So, dinner at 7 and in bed by 9.
What?
That was fun.
Hope you're hungry, Eddie. It's my fave. You're so brave, Eddie. Is there anything we can do for you?
In your dreams? It's a key. It's supposed to open something.
Weird.
Your dork rating if you figure out what's up with my bike chain.
Foolish you! The soil knows all.
Yeah, sure, Rolf. Did you see that case? I bet this key is for that case.
I'm looking for something a little different.
Huh?
Only still the same so it matches. Without it being too similar.
We'll just check our vault.
All that hard.
Not to mention that duck.
Yeah,